Kick me again, see what happens to your family.
Tick bow. That was.
Nice.
Listen to my fat ass E.
Do you do a lot of office work?
No.
Wait, he's punching my monkey gooch!
You always
This game, you stupid fucking roll! You're gonna have a Zenyatta, an Ana, a fucking Orisa, a fucking Mercy at the same time with the Ana and Zen, a fucking Bastion, a fucking Echo! Go, this is your moment. Oh, you fat pussy! Get fucking bomber clattered! Bomber clattered!
No, it's 2% off out. Really, 'cause it looks like you're 100% off out. Really, because right now it looks like you're 100% off out, Drew.
Who gives a shit about your ult? The game's over. No one gives a shit.
I'm sorry.
The longer we play, the more AIDS. The Mercy has to die. Mercy's dead.
Fuck!
Fire's dead.
It's right.
Cassie's dead.
Up top! Arisa? Fuck me.
Where is
Where are
she?
you on my...
Oh my god, I'm fucking huge. I'm so fat.
Let's go,
I'm so
Steve.
fucking fat. Yeah, you could have just closed your eyes.
I close my eyes. It's kind of gay.
What? Oh, get shit! I just fucked Carlos! I just bent him over and fucked him! I fucking called it! Do you see that? Can't call me fucking... Oh, who's a good receiver? Yo! Talking about football!
Who's a good receiver?
Don't say it like that! Ew! Wait,
Oh,
fuck
mate,
off!
no one
Alright,
liked
time to
you.
switch.
Alright.
Watch this. About to eat some fat as shit.
Yes, sir.
So annoying. That's so fucking annoying. So fucking annoying! Oh,
At least you got play.
Oh my god,
At least
I
you
don't
got
give a
play.
shit, Corey! I fucking dipped the shit out of fucking Chundle Cheese, and he's talking shit, and we drew the game! Oh! Okay.
Your cheese.
Alright, let's try another one, guys! Woo! Yippee!
So I slapped the bitch.
Okay,
Sam, jump over the-
Pussy.
Yeah, jump over the roof with me.
Okay,
With me as well.
No, you weren't invited.
No, Corey, you'll just give away our
What?
position with your booster.
Yeah, not me going.
I'm Dr. Mountain Dew.